Hello, this is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. Prime Minister Modi visiting Tamil Nadu today plans to meditate at the Vivekananda Mandapam in Kanyakumari. However, DMK lawyer Hemant Annadurai, opposing Modi's visit, displayed posters saying "Go Back Modi" in areas like Tiruvallikeni, Pukurai and Paris Corner. This term "Go Back Modi" is also getting trend on Twitter as a hashtag. City employees and the police removed and disposed of the posters featuring the lawyer, which included the message, "Do you want to come to Tamil Nadu after insulting the Tamil people?" An investigation into lawyer Annadurai is now being planned. This has caused tension in those areas. In a similar case, the Congress has told the Election Commission of India that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's two-day meditation break from Thursday to Saturday in Tamil Nadu's Kanyakumari will violate the 48-hour quiet period before the last phase of Lok Sabha voting. This meditation will happen during the 7th phase of the Lok Sabha polls on Saturday. Modi has taken similar breaks at the end of the election campaigns in 2014 and 2019. Congress leader Abhishek Manu Singhvi stated, and I quote, "We don't oppose leaders observing silent fast or campaigning. But during the silence period, campaigning should cease." The delegation lodged 28 complaints alleging violations of the Model Code of Conduct by BJP leaders, including Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Singhvi mentioned that you are either campaigning this way or publicizing yourself through news channels and print media. There was no immediate response from the ECI regarding whether the BJP sought permission for Modi's meditation during the silence period. Singhvi suggested that Modi could start his meditation on Saturday evening instead. He added that if Modi insists on starting it on Thursday evening, the ECI should prohibit media from reporting it. He is a candidate himself in the last phase. About 55 constituencies are going to polls in the last phase. Some publicity should not be allowed. The Congress lodged complaints against BJP's post on social media that were deemed false, misleading and divisive, particularly regarding the alleged policy of wealth distribution favoring for a religious minority. It highlighted the circulation of doctored videos of Rahul Gandhi's speech on May 10, aimed at misleading voters and discouraging support for the party. Out of the 28 complaints filed, 6 were related to derogatory and communal remarks made by Modi in his speeches. The Congress emphasized that many falsely claimed the party aims to redistribute wealth among Muslims, often referred to pejoratively as those who do vote jihad. Additionally, Modi's interview with India Today and Aaj Tak on May 13, the day of the 4th phase of polling, were cited as violations of the MCC and the Representation of People Act, that is RPA. Regarding Yogi Adityanath, 3 complaints were filed for accusing the party of historically supporting terrorism, which allegedly violated the MCC, RPA and Indian Penal Code. 2 complaints were also submitted against Amit Shah's speeches. Moreover, the Congress highlighted Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's appeal on May 22 for people to vote based on religion, falsely portraying the party as communal. Additionally, voters in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana reportedly received calls from the US urging them to vote for the BJP, violating the MCC and RPA. Well, that's all for this show of Mood Tiranga today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 p.m. onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 a.m. onwards.
सिर्फ HW न्यूज इंग्लिश और HW न्यूज नेटवर्क पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.